Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
My lovely daughter was in need of a new winter jacket this year, and we're absolutely thrilled with this winter jacket from CAMNOW. This jacket is super comfortable, it's soft, the color goes with so many different outfits, it has cute little pockets in the front to keep her hands warm, and she can wear this on so many different occasions, whether she's going to work, school, or out with her friends. As a mom, I love that it's going to keep her nice and warm during the cold winter months here in Ohio. It's made from strong, durable material. It has elastic around the wrists and an adjustable waistband to keep out all that cold winter air. The zippers and the snaps are made strong and sturdy, so I know that even when she gets rough with it, it's going to last her a long time. The pockets on the sides are stylish and deep enough to hold all of her stuff, and it can zip closed to keep it all secure. We both really like the thickness of this coat. It's not too thick and bulky, so it's perfect for fall weather or to layer over a sweater or a hoodie. So if you're looking for a go-to fashion accessory for this fall and winter, this beautiful jacket from CAMNOW is a must-have.
And that's my point of view.